the Microsoft this morning. So it captured my attention here, which was last Thursday, because of the flush and because it flushed the 200, the 50, the 8, the 20, it flushed all of that. And then we started seeing buying on it. And I was in here, I was not willing to jump in there. I was looking for more of a, can we come back and touch this? And obviously the right place for me to have considered getting long on Microsoft would have been back here on the year to date anchored VWAPs, but I wasn't paying attention to Microsoft at that time. It caught my attention here because of all the sweeps that started coming in. And then on Friday, it was just like, hey, it gapped and it gave a very, 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 very short window of look like it maybe it would fill the gap before it would go. So I was kind of on the fence. It didn't. I jumped into calls. I got long. I don't remember what strike it was, but it was close to a double. Had I stayed in them on Friday, would have been, you know, like $1 and less than $1. I don't remember. Somewhere right around there, like under $1 or $1, somewhere right around there. And they went to like $5. So, you know, that would have been an opportunity for me from a scalper's standpoint in an area where I need to improve, that I'm just not good at it, is to look at that situation, evaluate it, and say, okay, you know, you have the gap. It's not coming back to fill the gap. It's Friday. They're pushing on it. They're at least going to touch the 200. They're probably going to touch the 50. So that should have been my signal to, from a scalp standpoint, to get heavy, like 200, 250 contract heavy on a Friday like that. So I kind of missed that opportunity, but they are coming after it. Bag holders back from the from the high on April 21st are happy. Bag holders from this gap up back to April 8th are happy. This high is being broken. I'm looking for this high to get broken next. And then you have a reason to think that it could try and fill this gap. So that's what I'm looking at on Microsoft. So far it's working. The position, I am paying down this position as we go using the scalps. And my goal is to just get that July position paid down and give Microsoft a shot here.